Imagine this. You work hard every day. You are smart. You earn money. But at the end of the year, $10,000 is gone. Not stolen, not lost. You gave it away without even knowing. Today, I will show you the biggest money mistake millions of smart people in America make every single year and how you can avoid it easily. Let me tell you a small story. There's a little kid named Tommy. Tommy gets $1 candy money every day. But instead of saving it, Tommy spends it all. One candy today, one toy tomorrow, one game later. After 1 year, Tommy asks, "Where did my money go?" This is exactly what adults do with $10,000 every year. The biggest mistake is not paying attention to small money leaks. Small money leaks are like tiny holes in a bucket. One hole? No problem. 10 holes, your bucket becomes empty. Banks are not bad. They don't protect your money like you think. Here are common banking mistakes: monthly bank fees, overdraft fees, ATM fees, low-interest savings accounts. You think, oh, it's only $5, only $10. But listen carefully. $25 per month equals $300 per year. For 10 years, $3,000 gone. Credit cards are like candy. They look sweet, they feel good, but too much candy makes you sick. Many smart people do this: buy things they don't need, pay only minimum payment, carry balance every month. Let me explain like a kid. You borrow $100. Bank says, no problem, just give me $3 every month. But guess what? You end up paying $130, $150 or more. That extra money is called interest. Interest is the money you give the bank for being patient. Debt is like carrying a heavy school bag. 1 book? Easy. 10 books? Very heavy. Credit card debt, car loans, personal loans. They slowly steal your happiness. Many Americans lose $4,000 to $6,000 every year just paying interest. That's money you could use for a vacation, an emergency fund, your family, your future. Most people say, I will save money later. Later never comes. Saving money is like planting a seed. If you plant today, you get fruit later. If you never plant, you stay hungry. Common saving mistakes: no emergency fund, no automatic savings, money sitting in checking account. Your money should work for you, not sleep. Here's a very easy rule: pay yourself first. That means when you get money, before bills, before shopping, before fun, put 10% into savings. Even $50 per paycheck matters. Small steps win the race. Where $1,000 really goes. Let's add everything together. Bank fees, $500. Credit card interest, $3,000. Bad loans, $4,000. No savings growth, $2,500. Boom. $10,000 gone every year. And the scary part is, most people don't even notice. How to fix. Good news. You don't need to be rich. You don't need to be a genius. Just do these 5 simple things. Track your money. Cut useless subscriptions. Pay off high-interest debt first. Open a high-yield savings account. And save automatically. That's it. Simple, easy, powerful. America gives you many opportunities, but freedom without control becomes a problem. Smart people don't earn more. Smart people manage better. You don't need a higher salary. You need better money habits. Remember this: money is not evil. Money is a tool. Use it wisely, and it will protect your future. Ignore it, and it will disappear quietly. If this video helped you, like this video, subscribe for more finance tips, and share this with someone who needs it. Because avoiding one small mistake can save you $10,000 every year.